Hello and welcome to Financeable. On this new video on how to log in into US Premium Finance accounts. If you are subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, we need to open the web browser. So in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type US Premium Finance login and press enter in the keyboard and the search results will be shown to you. And when you see the US Premium Finance, which is the official website of US Premium, you just have to click on it and the interface will be open right in front of you. And in the first, when you see the screen, there is an box where you can sign in, or there is an section where you can sign in. So you just need to enter your username on the username section. After that, on the right side of it, there is a password section where you need to enter your password. And if you have forgotten username or password, right below the username box, there is forgot username or password. You can just click on that and US Premium Finance will help you to retrieve your username and password. And with the retrieved username or password or the new username or password, you just have to enter the new username or password in their rightful box. And there is a sign in button right next to password box, and click on the sign in button and you will be able to log in successfully into US Premium Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.